Project-oriented engineering design at Linzer Technikum, the marble run as a platform for international collaboration. How can project-oriented engineering design be brought to life? It's not about the marble run itself. It's about learning through action and personal development through technical creation. A team of 4 students builds a cube from 20 by 20 mm aluminum profiles, with an edge length of 495 mm. A marble enters through a defined entry point, is lifted upward by a hoisting mechanism or elevator, rolls down an adjustable track, passes an obstacle, and exits through a defined outlet interface. Entry and exit points can be placed opposite or at 90 degrees, allowing multiple cubes to be connected into a ring system. The result is an expandable, functional marble run, ideal for presentations, for example, during open house events. Here, you can see a U-shaped setup of 4 cubes. The entry, marble separation, spindle lift with drive and control, discharge, track to the obstacle, and transition to the next cube. Each section adds a new mechanism, from elevators and chain tensioners to grippers and guiding tracks. Together, they form a continuous motion, a complete system of coordinated engineering functions. The project starts in the 2nd year of study. Students learn to plan, design, and build a working technical system. But project-oriented learning goes far beyond the technical. It means developing competencies as a whole. Working on the marble run builds skills in 4 key areas. Communication, following the principle who writes, stays. Clear documentation and communication ensure project success. Organization, maintaining project plans and work packages build structure and responsibility. Risk, students perform risk analyses and assessments, learning to anticipate and manage issues. Technical know-how, through creativity methods, research, interviews, experiments, and the use of artificial intelligence to evaluate and improve designs. At present, all cube teams come from Linzer Technikum. In the future, the project will expand across borders. Each cube team could include students from 2 partner schools in different countries. At the beginning, both teams meet, ideally in person, to develop first ideas using creative design methods. One team works on the first part of the cube, from the entry up to the elevator's discharge. The second team continues from there to the outlet interface. Later, design work continues at both schools, with constant coordination on components and technical details. Ordering motors, producing 3D printed parts, or making design changes, all require structured communication and teamwork. Finally, the teams meet again, for assembly and commissioning at one of the schools. There, they experience on a small scale how a real international industrial project is brought to life. They see how communication, organization, and technology interact, and how these skills grow through collaboration. Along the way, both teams naturally strengthen their English skills. The result is clear. With this experience, students are ready to tackle real industrial projects successfully. The marble run is therefore much more than a technical model. It is a learning system and a connecting element of modern engineering education. Each cube fosters creativity, responsibility, teamwork, and structured thinking. It makes the consequences of design decisions visible, encourages critical and innovative thinking, and integrates digitalization and artificial intelligence as natural learning tools. This creates a learning environment with personal challenges, new perspectives, and real action competence. And above all, it opens the door to international collaboration between schools. We invite you to join us in developing this idea, and to give students the opportunity not just to learn technology, but to experience it, understand it, and shape it together.